Make a great choice today with the 2017 Subaru Legacy. The Subaru Legacy offers a roomy interior and a dynamic drive you feel every second you're in the driver's seat. It's a refreshing alternative to the alternatives. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, backup camera, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, traction control, stability control, all-wheel drive, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, moonroof, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, cruise control, keyless start, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, floor mats, auto-dimming rear view mirror. Come see the car for yourself.